All right, Patriots, buckle up. We're diving into a topic that's got everyone fired up: tariffs. The mainstream media, those card-carrying members of the fake news industrial complex, want you to think tariffs are bad, that they're going to start a trade war and destroy the economy. But we're not buying it, are we? We're going to break down why President Trump's tariffs are actually a power move, a genius strategy to make America great again. Get ready to have your minds blown wide open. First of, let's talk about American jobs. Putting hardworking Americans back to work. For too long, companies ship jobs overseas. It's time to bring those jobs back. Tariffs are the key. By imposing tariffs, we make American products competitive. Take the steel industry, for example. Under President Trump, a 25% tariff on imported steel worked. American steel production surged, creating thousands of jobs. Now, let's talk about the trade deficit. Because let's be honest, nobody likes to be in debt. Especially not to a communist regime like China, right? For years, we've been importing way more than we've been exporting. And it's time to put an end to this madness. Tariffs are a powerful tool to reduce the trade deficit by making foreign goods more expensive, encouraging Americans to buy American-made products. Think about it this way. Every time you buy a product made in the USA, you're voting with your wallet, supporting American jobs and American businesses. It's about time we start putting America first. Third reason, better trade deals. Now, I know what you're thinking. Won't tariffs start a trade war? Listen, nobody wants a trade war, but sometimes you gotta fight fire with fire. The truth is, other countries have been taking advantage of us for years, imposing unfair tariffs and trade barriers on our products. Tariffs give us leverage. They give us bargaining power to negotiate better trade deals. Deals that are fair and reciprocal. Look at what President Trump did with Mexico and Canada. He used tariffs to renegotiate NAFTA, which was a disaster for American workers, into the USMCA. A much better deal that protects American jobs and intellectual property. Second reason, increased government revenue. Let's talk about something everyone loves. More money. That's right. Tariffs can actually generate billions of dollars in revenue for the U.S. government. Think about it. When we impose tariffs on imported goods, those tariffs are paid by the foreign companies, not by American consumers. That's money that goes straight into the U.S. Treasury. Money that can be used to fund important programs, like infrastructure, education, and national security. It's about time we stopped letting other countries rip us off and started putting that money back into the pockets of hardworking Americans. Long-term economic benefits. But here's the best part. The benefits of tariffs go far beyond the short term. By protecting American industries, reducing the trade deficit, and bringing back manufacturing jobs, tariffs lay the foundation for long-term economic growth and prosperity. A strong manufacturing sector is the backbone of any great economy, and tariffs help to ensure that America remains a global manufacturing powerhouse. We're talking about a resurgence of American innovation, American ingenuity, and American dominance on the world stage. Tariffs making America great again, one product at a time. Tariffs protect American jobs, reduce the trade deficit, and put America first. President Trump stands up for American workers and businesses. Tariffs are a powerful tool to make America great again. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more.